Welcome back, guys, and you've read the title correct. Yes, we are doing a beef wrap today, and these are the ingredients: or ground beef, or chopped scallion, and or chopped garlic. So let's go.
Yes, guys, and as we go along, you will get the rest of the ingredients. So I could go over to the pot right now because it'll heat up and ready for us to forward.
Yes.
Alright, guys, so right now we're gonna add some oil.
Yes, guys, we don't want much, just enough. Look at that. And the pot is properly heated, right? So we're just going to get on with the sauteing of these herbs, right?
Alright, first some scallions.
Yes, guys, you need this scallion. Yeah, look at that, beautiful, right?
Now we're gonna add the chopped garlic.
Garlic, nice and aromatic, guys. Yes.
I'm just gonna cook until translucent.
Yes, guys, get all those flavors busting. Yeah, busting, guys. Look at that, and this smells so great. You guys know the aroma is a perfume.
Pretty kitchen.
Yes, drop that down in the comment section.
Alright, guys, so now we're gonna add the ground beef.
Yes, guys, look at that. I will want to get this nice and sauteed, right?
Along with the ground beef, I'm gonna add a little Scotch bonnet sauce.
Yes, guys, not too much. If you can take that Scotch bonnet, because this is a very hot pepper. Yeah.
A little salt.
Just moderate.
A little pepper.
Or mother seasoning, salt and pepper. Yes, guys.
Now we're gonna bring it all together.
Stir to combine. Yes, guys, look at that coming together nicely, right? Guys, this flavor, the flavors are just coming together. Oh yes. Ooh, you know, like when you cook and you box the smell from the pot up in your nostrils. Yes, this is so lovely.
Alright, guys, so now I'm gonna add some beef sauce.
Yes, guys, look at that. That sizzle. Oh my lord. So nice, guys. If you haven't checked out our burrito wrap video, please go and check that out.
Some beef sauce, guys.
Yes, the beef sauce up in there. Yes, guys. And if you want to know how we made this beef sauce, you can drop it down in the comment section down below. Yes, guys, look at that. Lovely, right? Look at that. Nice and juicy, guys. I get so excited when I'm cooking or when we're cooking. Yes, guys, I get so excited.
Easy 1, 2, 3. Nothing difficult, nothing technical.
Look at that, guys. Look at that juicy beef.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna add a little more scallion because I love the fresh crunch.
Yeah. Look at that beef. Yes, guys.
Add some more garlic.
Yeah. And guys, please remember to follow us on TikTok. Please do, guys. Please follow us on TikTok. We have some good content coming over there. We can't believe we have so much subscriber on this channel, and our TikTok is looking so weak. Come on, guys. And guys, when you come on the video, before you do anything, if you see your subscription button red, just please turn that gray, turn your notification bell to all, and drop a like on the video, and drop some banger comments and share, because you care. Yes, guys.
Just want to simmer for a bit.
Yeah, simmer down. Simmer. Yes, guys, I am in such a good mood today. Such a good mood. Look at that. Beautiful.
Alright, guys, I'm telling you, I want to go, so watch this.
Transformation. You know about this. So we're gonna make the pot heat up, and then we come back again. So forward. Yes, guys, and we are on to the assembly. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that beef looking so juicy. Yes, guys, everything from your ear to scrape, you don't know Chef Reid. Everything. Yes, guys, look at that. All those seasoning. Yes, guys, we have a lot in store for you guys, and it's just coming all up. And just stay tuned, guys. We have so much in store for you guys on this channel. Be on the lookout, guys. Please turn on the notification bells because we don't want anything to miss you guys, right? Please don't miss nothing. We love the feedback that we're getting from you guys. We really appreciate you guys. We do this because of the love and the passion that we have for cooking.
Add some caramelized onion now, guys. As in this, we just add some white cheddar.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna add some parmesan. Hear me? Some
Caramelized onions.
Just to add a little sweet.
Yeah.
I know the world these days will have a sweet tooth.
Sweet and nice, guys. This is just a burger without the buns.
Well, you can call it. This is also a sandwich, you know, guys.
Yeah.
Come over with it.
Carefully. Now is the time you're going to pack in everything to ensure that it's nice and secured. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Repeat. And you roll. Look at that, guys. And if you have egg wash, you can use that to seal the edges. But if not, just watch closely.
And so I'm gonna put it this side down so it holds.
Yes, guys, so let's go over to the pot. Yes, guys, it's that time. Yeah, hear the sizzle? Come on, me alone I hear it.
So I'm gonna make this warm up. I don't want it up inside out. So we move forward again when we give this a turn.
So when we are going to give this a turn, we are going forward again. So just go and think about the comment where you want to drop and just drop that. It's that time, guys. Time for the turn. Yes, guys. And that you're seeing there are toothpicks. You can always pick it to ensure that it is safe and secured, right? So next time, it's removal time. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers to spam up the comment section. So forward again. Yes, guys, it's removal time. After the cutting board, let's cut up this. Yes, guys, look at that, look at that, look at that. Yeah, let's go. Ready to eat food, you have to wear a glove, guys. Yes. And now is the time, if you had the toothpicks in, now is the time to remove it. Look at that. Look at that. So beautiful, right? Yes, guys, nice and golden. So let's go after the plating station. Let's go. Yes, guys, start dropping them comments. Look at that. Look at that. I love the golden on this. Nice and beautiful. Yes, guys, feel free to check out our chef Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Yeah. Yes, guys. Look at that. Yes, guys, what we do over here, we do it with so much love, so much finesse. Yes, guys, look at that, look at that, look at that. I know you want this, so just place your orders. It's like a strong tower, guys. Look at that, beautiful. Yes, guys, and some of you may not know, but we have a tutorial channel. So if you want exclusive content on how to plate and all of that, feel free to check out our tutorial channel. Everything is more detailed over there, so you can just check out that. Yes, guys, look at that. So good. Look at that, man. Yes, guys. Looking so nice. This is giving Mexico vibe, right? Italian, you know? Yeah. Mexico streets, right? Where you have all your tacos. Yes. Any Mexican supporters down there in the comment section? Yes, guys. And that's a wrap. So follow us on Instagram to see the bomb pictures from this. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?